Hey guys, it's Chimpanzee Gamer here, and today we will do an air raid. What I do is 28 balloons, 30 minions, and then I do 2 rage and 1 heal. And I hope you like my recent video, that golem attack, and today we'll do an air attack. Give me good luck, here we go. We'll try to find the Town Hall 8. Not a rush, just a good minimum Town Hall 8. I do not have any other replays to show you, so sorry about this. If there's other types of attacks you want me to do, please say in the comments. I don't know, I can't really entertain you in this video while we're searching for a base, because I do not have that skippy things everyone else does. Like I said in all my other videos, if there's any other games you want me to play, just please say so. And I hope you like this. If there's like oh, okay, we found the base. Let's try to 3-star. Nope, nothing there. Well, let's go. My minions around. How do you do this attack here? Bomb. Pretty in a humongous way. And this, then put rage. Then put all your minions back behind. Then wait. Okay, we got a 3-star, I think. Hopefully, we better. And here we go. As long as my balloons don't die, we've got this. Okay, thanks. I hope you like this video, and we'll put the King's special ability pretty soon in like 3, 2, 1. It's about time. Yep, we got it. So that's amazing loot, amazing trophies, pretty good dark. Thank you. Here a little late, but I'm not complaining. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And thanks for all your support and all my other recent videos. Thank you for watching. See you later next time.